Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about JavaScript object constructor. So let's see what is it. So sometimes we need a blueprint for creating many objects of the same type. The way to create the object type is to use the object constructor function. So what is the meaning of this words? So this is what I mean. If you're creating any object and if you want to create the same type or like a blueprint of that particular object, that is called the object constructor function. Okay. For example, if I'm right now, you can see on screen, I am using the function person. Fine. I have mentioned the first name, last name, and the age. For using the constructor, first I have to mention this dot first name and then first name. Okay, let me just show you here. Okay, let me just change this because all variable will be the same. Okay, so here I have mentioned this dot first name equal to the first. The object I have chosen, I have to mention that particular object. Okay, on screen. So next thing I'm going to write this dot last name equal to last and this dot age. I have to make some change here, otherwise same thing will be mentioned here. Okay, no issues with it. Fine. I have to run this variable, so I have to mention var cricketer new person ms. Okay. For example, you are taking the name, that is the ms, the last name as Dhoni and the age as a 40. Fine. Okay, I have mentioned all those things. If you want to run this, you have to write the console, that is the console.log cricketer. Okay. So next thing again I have to write the console cricketer is attached with the person because I have created one function, that is the person. So I have to run that thing too. Okay, let me just reload it here, inspect it, and then console, and all the things are mentioned here. Fine, let me reload it again. I have to see why is it working like that. Okay, you can see on screen the first names, these things. Okay, if I'm removing that, all the results are already available. Age is equal to 40 and then a first name is MS and the last name is Dhoni. That is how it works. For example, let me remove it here and then we'll just make some changes. Cricketers.team equal to India. Fine, I have added one more team. So you can see on screen, you can see the team is already mentioned here. Team is equal to India. You can, I hope you saw on that output. Okay, so that is how you should doing. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much.